Hi, I'd like to show you your OT toolkit that you're going to use for occupational therapy this year. So everybody will receive a bag that has lots of materials in it. And I'm going to show you what those are. First of all, you'll see that inside the bag there's a binder. There's some information on the front that you can use, and my contact information is also on the bottom there. But you'll notice inside your binder there's a few things. There are 2 sheet protectors. We're going to use those this year with some worksheets, and what we'll use those for. Some of the worksheets we're going to put inside the sheet protectors and use a dry erase marker on here. So this kind of works like a little bit of a dry erase board for us. You'll see that inside the binder there are some activities, and they're divided by week. You'll see the week numbers on there, and then there are some activities inside that we will complete together during occupational therapy. Please don't do these activities on your own. These are things we will do together while we have OT together every week, okay? So there's a binder there. And you'll also see that there is a bag of materials inside as well. There's a little sheet inside that tells you all of the materials that are inside the bag, but I'm going to just show you quickly what they are. Inside the bag, you will see that there is a pencil pouch inside there. There are some things. You'll see that there are some crayons in there. There are 2 pencils. There's an eraser. There's a little word spacing tool that's made out of a popsicle stick. There are 2 dry erase markers and 1 yellow highlighter. So all of those things are inside this little pouch, just so that they don't escape. And it's easier to keep them all together there, okay? Also inside, you'll see that there's a little bag that has 50 plastic beads and 5 wiki sticks. Those are wax-covered strings. We'll use those for some different activities, so those are inside the kit as well. There is 1 single hole punch. There's a tennis ball that is cut like a little man, and we will use this for some hand strengthening activities. There is a small eraser for your dry erase. There's 1 small container of Play-Doh. There's 1 pair of scissors. There are 2 shoelaces, 2 different colors. We'll use those for all kinds of things this year. There's a pencil sharpener. And there's 1 bottle of white glue. Okay, so all of these materials, I'm asking that you keep them all inside your kit. And every week, when we have occupational therapy, when we have OT together, whether you see me or whether you see one of the OT assistants, we're going to use these materials together each week as we have OT. So please keep them together. Just keep all your things inside your bag. Keep your bag with your binder. And please do not use these materials for other things. Please only use them for OT. Please keep all this stuff together. If you have any questions for me, my email and my phone number are on the front of the binder, and you can contact me then. You can also ask me during OT. We'll be talking about this as we get started this year, how we're going to use these materials together, and hopefully we're going to have a great year together, and you'll have all the things you need to have OT this year.